Imagine two people watching the same news. The stock market just dropped 20%. One panics, ready to sell everything. The other sees a rare opportunity and stays calm. The difference isn't intelligence or education, it's psychology. We're told wealth is about numbers, earn more, spend less, invest the rest. But the real story is written in moments of fear and patience. The gap between rich and poor is more about behavior than knowledge. I've seen geniuses make terrible financial decisions, and ordinary people build wealth through simple, consistent habits. Financial success is a soft skill. It's about managing your emotions, especially when the world feels chaotic. We treat money like a numbers game, but it's really a game of emotions. The person who stays calm when others panic and patient when others rush has a huge advantage. They're playing a different game. This is about mastering your mind, not just your math. If you want to build wealth, start by understanding your own psychology. That's the real game changer. We all carry a financial script from childhood, formed by watching our parents, hearing their worries and absorbing their beliefs. If money was a source of stress, you might fear loss and avoid risk. If it was spent carelessly, you might struggle to save. Traditional advice ignores these deep-seated beliefs, but they drive our decisions more than logic ever will. To change your financial future, you must first confront and rewrite your old money script. Only then can you make choices that serve the life you want, not the one you inherited. Our brains hate losing money. Loss feels twice as painful as gain feels good. This instinct once kept us alive, but in investing it's a disaster. When markets fall, fear takes over, and we panic sell, turning temporary declines into permanent losses. The tragedy, downturns, are when fortunes are made. Assets go on sale, but panic keeps us from buying. By the time it feels safe again, the best gains are gone. This cycle of panic selling and late re-entry is why most investors underperform the market. The key isn't to be fearless, but to accept that volatility is the price of long-term returns. Expecting gains without downturns is like wanting a harvest without seasons. Success comes from staying in the game, not fleeing when it gets tough. Volatility is the fee for growth. Pay it and you'll reap the rewards. Flee and you'll miss the climb. We crave comfort and predictability, but in finance, this bias is a trap. It keeps us in low interest savings, afraid to invest, while inflation quietly erodes our wealth. The comfort bias also keeps us in unfulfilling jobs, too scared to pursue bigger opportunities. We choose small, guaranteed wins over the chance for real growth. True security comes from taking smart, calculated risks, not avoiding risk altogether. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. Redefine risk. The safe path often leads to stagnation. The uncomfortable path, investing, starting something new, offers real potential. Learn to be comfortable with discomfort. That's where wealth is built. Our brains are wired for short-term thinking, chasing quick wins and hot tips. We ignore the slow, steady power of compounding, the real engine of wealth. Early investing feels slow and unrewarding, tempting us to quit or chase risky trends. Media fuels this, glorifying overnight successes and making patience seem boring. The truth, wealth is built over decades, not days. The most powerful force in finance is time. Chasing sparks wastes your most valuable asset. The wealthiest build bonfires, adding fuel patiently year after year. Don't compare your beginning to someone else's ending. Play the long game and let compounding work its magic. The wealthy feel fear too, but they use it differently. They see market volatility as opportunity, not disaster. This mindset is trained, embracing discomfort, staying patient and letting time do the work. The real money is made in the waiting, not the buying or selling. Most people want to act. The wealthy know when to sit still. Surround yourself with long-term thinkers. Your environment shapes your mindset. If you're around panic and short-termism, you'll catch it. If you're around patience and discipline, you'll learn it. Discomfort is temporary. The rewards of discipline are permanent. The path to wealth isn't secret, just rarely walked. Financial success starts with mindset, not math. You can rewire your habits. This is the most important financial work you'll ever do. Automate your investing. Set up monthly transfers so emotion can't interfere. Consistency, not brilliance, builds wealth. Control your reactions. You can't control the market, but you can control your response. When panic hits, anchor yourself to your plan created when you were calm. You're not just building wealth, you're building a new identity. Become the person who controls money, not the other way around. Find satisfaction in the process, not just the outcome. Your habits shape your results, change them, and you change your future. The secret to wealth is simple, slow, deliberate personal growth. Start today. Your future self will thank you.